Dzine is a powerful and versatile all-in-one AI design platform. It is particularly useful for graphic designers, content creators, and marketers. With this tool, you can create eye-catching images with just enter simple prompts, and you can bring these images to life by converting them into videos. First, let me introduce you to the Dzine AI dashboard. But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me create more useful tutorials in the future. To get started, first sign up, and then go to the Dzine AI dashboard. This is an all-in-one AI tool because it offers you a lot of tools like the text-to-image, image-to-image, image-to-video, text-to-video, AI eraser, expand, enhance, face swap and much more. Since our current topic is on image-to-video and text-to-video tools, so we will explore these only. After clicking on the image-to-video button, this interface will appear. Here on the left side, under the image-to-video section, you can see 3 video models: Standard, Kling 1.5 and Mini Max High Luo. You can choose whichever video model you want. For now I'll just go with the standard model. Next, click on Pick an Image button and upload the image we want to animate. As far as the end frame is concerned, I will tell you about it later. Next we will come to the prompt box. Here I am pasting my pre-made prompt. A beautiful young woman, her hair blowing in the breeze, slightly looking towards the left. Next, in the imagination section, if you move this slider towards right it's going to more relevance, and if you move towards left it's more to creativity. Finally, we will choose the video duration between 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Click the Generate button to start the processing. Here you can see on the right that the video processing process has started, and in few moments it will generate the video for us according to our prompt. Oh, look at that, you can see that it has provided an amazing animated video as per our prompt. The results are quite impressive. Now let's create a new video with Kling 1.5 model, and see what result provides this time. We will leave the source image as it is, and also we will not make any changes to the prompt. However, we adjust this imagination scale all the way up to the relevance and see what we get this time. We let the video duration remain for 5 seconds, and click on the Generate button. After a few moments, the video is ready. Indeed, the result of the Kling 1.5 model is also very impressive. You can see that this is the video generated with the standard model, and this is the video generated with Kling 1.5, and definitely the result of both is very good. To download these videos, we can download them by clicking on the download button below these videos. Now this time we are trying the end frame. Select standard model from the video models, click on Pick an Image button, select the image which you want to start the video. Turn on End Frame button. Now we will click on the second Pick an Image button and select the image which you want to end the video. Now we will enter our prompt in the prompt box. Camera panning around a ship, and ship moves slowly towards. Next, we will go to the imagination section and balance the imagination by moving the slider to the center. In the video duration, we will choose 5 seconds. And hit the Generate button. In a short time, our video is ready. Let's play it and see. Look at this, the result is remarkable. The AI completely understood my text prompt and the end frame tool generated video perfectly match my expectations. Now let's try text to video tool. For that purpose, first we will click on the text to video button. Now we will choose the video model. I will go with the standard model. After that, we will enter our prompt, because I already had it, so I have pasted it here. In the aspect ratio, we will choose the aspect ratio according to the requirements of our video. I select 16:9 ratio. After this, we will keep the slider in the imagination section in the center so that the imagination remains in balance. Next, we select the duration as 10 seconds instead of 5 seconds, click on the Generate button, and see what kind of results it generates for us according to our prompt. Although it shows the woman smiling and facing the camera and turn her head left, according to our prompt, but it didn't show walking. However, it is such a wonderful result that you cannot guess by watching this video whether it is a real woman or an AI-generated one. Let's try the text-to-video tool again. We will leave the video model as standard and enter our own prompt in the prompt box. This time we'll change our prompt a little. We keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 and let imagination be in balance. Next, we're doing the video duration 5 seconds. And hit the generate button. Although the waiting time is written here as 5 to 10 minutes, but it normally generates the video in 1 to 2 minutes. The result is in front of you, and of course I am very satisfied with the image to video and text to video results of Dzine AI. Finally, I will give you a brief introduction to the various AI tools of Dzine AI, so that you can get an idea of the comprehensiveness of this website. Click on AI Editor button, and with Local Edit tool, you can edit a specific part of an image. With this tool, you can add an object to an image with a visual reference. With AI Eraser, mark an area for erasing the object. And with Generative Expand, you can extend an image's boundaries. Click on Face Kit button. With Face Swap you can replace a face in an image with another face. And with Face Repair tool, fixes and enhances generated faces. Click on Enhance and Upscale button, and with this tool you can improve image quality and resolution. In the end, I must say Dzine AI is an excellent tool for anyone in creative fields, from graphic design to marketing. Its AI-driven capabilities significantly cut down production time while maintaining high-quality outputs. I hope you've learned new things from this video. If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.